Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox Kogan brand DC motor pedestal fan. The packaging came in 2 boxes. Let's get rid of the packaging box, and inside you can see a white box. It is upside down, so I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna open it. That's it. Now you can see all the parts of the fan. I can see some bars, grill. Let's take the grill. Oh, I don't think so it will come. Let's take the bars first. Yeah, there are 2 bars. I think you can adjust the height of the fan with that ones. Then that's the grill. They're attached together, the bottom grill, top grill, and the blades. That's the base. And finally the motor. Let's take the motor out. That's the heart of the fan. And finally user manual and the remote. That's it. Everything is out of the box. So the remote is very tiny. It doesn't come with the batteries, so you have to get a batteries. I'm gonna keep the remote aside for now. So that's the motor. So it's like skeleton. It's all now. Now jump into assembling the fan. So there are 2 bars, so I'm gonna fix the 2 bars. Then once you're done, on the top the motor will come. It is very easy to assemble all the parts. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm doing it my single hand. I'm shooting with another hand. Yep. Now that's ready. The base is set. Now we have to put the grill and the blades. That's it. I'm gonna put the back grill. Once you put it in a position, there's a white knob kind of thing. You have to tighten the knob so the grill stays sturdy. It looks sturdy now. After that we have to attach the blades. Just install the blades. Once you install them properly, now there's another knob. Just tighten the knob so that the blades doesn't come off. Just turn it around. That's it. Let's check it if it's working. That's it. That's perfect. Now I have already put the top grill as well. The fan is ready. Now yeah, it's making a bit noise. When I turn on, that's the highest speed 12. You guys can hear the noise levels. Let's reduce the speed levels to basic, like 1. Yeah, and you guys can hear the noise levels dropping down slowly. Up to 1, 2, 3, it's not making any noise. Let's change the speed levels. That's 2, 3, still quiet. Oscillation is also working perfectly. My first impression, fan looks quite good, working well, easy peasy. Number 5, little bit noise. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my video.